Hello viewers, here I am with another baking recipe. Today I'm going to bake a basic chocolate sponge. It is very simple and easy. So I took 2 room temperature egg and 60 gram granulated sugar, and with a hand mixer blending them together. Adding 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, I will blend it till the mixture comes into a ribbon-like consistency. Now I'm adding 60 ml vegetable oil and blending again in low speed. It's time to add the dry ingredients. First, I'm adding 60 gram flour, then 15 gram cocoa powder, and half teaspoon baking powder. Now I'm gently folding them together. Making sure there is no lump. So I poured my batter in a baking tray, and now I'll bake it in a preheated oven at 170 C from 20 to 25 minutes. Just checking if it's perfectly baked. So my chocolate sponge is ready, and now I'm going to give it a makeover. I cut it into 2 layers and decorate it with peanut butter frosting and some caramelized peanuts. Do try this recipe and let me know how it was. Bye!